Farming isn't 9 to 5. It's not even sunup to sundown. It's a work until the work is done kind of job. Big or small, having the right tools makes your day easier and your whole operation more efficient. That's why Country Enterprises, Inc. developed the Easy Cut Seal Remover. Tired of poking, peeling, and prying open container seals? The Easy Cut was invented by a farmer for farmers. With a simple twist of the wrist, you can remove and dispose of chemical container seals quickly and safely. The patent-pending design saves you time and helps you avoid contact with dangerous chemicals by cleanly cutting and holding the container seals. You can remove up to 25 seals before emptying, and when you do, it's easy with the integrated ejection tool. The design also features a built-in tape cutter and holes on both pieces for quick hanging storage when the work is done. The Easy Cut was designed, tested, and improved until it worked to perfection. Farming is hard work. Why make it harder? The Easy Cut Seal Remover is farmer designed, farmer tested, and farmer approved. Hey, it just plain works.